Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be nice to share with you just a simple packet trick that only requires 8 cards, and it's any 8 cards that you want to use, and you can mix them up or do whatever you want with them, but just know that they are well mixed. And have a spectator look at any one of these 8 cards and have them just point to any one of these 8 cards, tell you which one that they want. It doesn't really matter, but let's just say they pick the Jack of Diamonds for this one, okay? So they pick the Jack of Diamonds for this trick, and it works on any card, so I'm just going to let you know that, and I'm going to explain how to do this trick so you know that it will work on any card that they pick. So there's no setup here for them to pick specifically the Jack of Diamonds. So they pick the Jack of Diamonds, and that leaves me with 7 cards. And the remaining 7 cards, they all have blue backs here. They're only blue back cards here, except for the Jack of Diamonds. And you knew they would pick the Jack of Diamonds earlier, and you made that the only red back card in this pack of 8 cards. And that's 8-card Brainwave. Now, nice and quick, simple, easy to do. But before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I'd like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're looking to support this channel, you can become a channel member through YouTube, or you can visit thebestmagicshop.com and purchase some cool magic tricks there. Okay, now 8-card Brainwave, the tutorial. Like I said, you only need 8 cards. The secret to this is get 4 blue cards and 4 red back cards, okay? 4 and 4. Set the cards up so you have them alternate. Every other card is a different color, okay? Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, or, you know, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, okay? That's the secret. Now, you have the 8 cards. You don't show the backs at first because then they'll see like this. You can cut the cards, okay? Just taking cards from the top, placing them on the bottom, and that just maintains the order of the red back, you know, red, blue, back, every other card. If you just simple cut each card, okay? So you just can simple cut as many times as you want, and that'll maintain, you know, the alternating colors backs of the cards, okay? So 8 cards are still red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Now, they pick any card that they want. Let's say they pick the 9 of hearts. You pull out what card that they pick, and you cut the cards where they pick the card. So in this case, it's only 1 card, and I place that on the bottom, okay? Now, if they would have picked, you know, somewhere in the middle, or let's say the queen, you know, because you're just doing a cut, so they always have, you know, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, maintaining that order. Let's say they pick the queen, you just cut right where the queen was and place these cards on the bottom of the pack. So now you have a move that you do, whereas you peel the face-up top card off, and then turn this card over, and at the same time you're turning the entire packet of cards over, and this gives the effect that you're showing all remaining 7 cards, the back of all remaining 7 cards, but what you're doing is you're showing the back of this card all the time, okay, and then the back of this one card, placing this card on the table, and then dropping this next card, because it's a blue back, and you just drop it on top of that. Now peel off one more card, show the back of all these cards. You're showing the back of this one card, dropping this card on the table, peeling this one card off, which is a blue back, dropping it on the table. Do it again, peel off the last card. This is the last time that you're going to show 2 cards. Show the backs of both cards, dropping this one here, dropping this one. This is a blue back, and then you can just show the back of this card here, which is the red, and it's the one you've been showing the entire time. And of course, the queen will have a blue card, okay? And then you can take this card, put it on top, show, you know, all the cards back again that they're red, and you're set up and ready to do the trick again to a different person, because if you do it to the same person, they might pick, you know, a blue card or a red, you know, have all the cards a different color. So you show them, you're still set up, every other card is a different color. They can pick any card that they want. Let's say they pick the 7 this time, pull the 7 out, drop it on the table, cut the cards where the card was that they picked, and then you just repeat that move over and over again, where you're just peeling off the first card, showing the back of the first card, showing the back of the entire packet, dropping this card on the table, dropping this card on the table, showing this card, the entire packet again, showing, making it look like they're all red. This is actually a blue card, okay? peeling off one card, showing the entire packet again, dropping this card on top of it. That's actually a blue card, but you're showing, and it makes it look like they're all red cards. And of course, the one that they picked is a blue back card. Okay, and that's an easy one for today. That's 8-card Brainwave. It's beginner magic trick, but it gets you to kind of learn a little sleight if you're just starting off in magic. Okay, let me know what you think. If there's any questions, leave them in the comments below. I appreciate it, and until next time.